KICKASSETS. Cha-ching.
The most as far as like traditional Japanese meets, you know, like not out of control onsen prices.
Yeah, it seemed very reasonable. That was kind of a huge selling point for me when we started going over the paper. I'm like, oh no. Because I actually like the first property the best so far for balance, everything.
Yeah.
But because this place had those prices, it made me start liking that first property we saw when we were in there.
Yeah. So like,
simple.
This property or the properties in here sacrifices like perched up, being up in the mountains type of openness.
Yeah.
But it is, in distance wise, it's closer to the ocean.
Yeah.
So it's like you don't get the perched up views, but then you get to be very close to the ocean. And it's kind of everything's sort of a give take.
We can go over it, but you gotta go over everything today as well. I mean, or the next couple of days. Like it's an easy but not an easy decision. It is very beautiful. Look at that. Tree Line Street. This is very beautiful. Look at that, folks. Imagine this at Christmas time when you have all the Christmas lights on it and the snow. What a gorgeous street
and the flowers.
The flowers. It's so romantic, isn't it?
Oh my gosh. Oh, this is really wow.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Well, look, some of those houses are run down. What a waste of a great street this is. It's too bad. I think we got see most of the properties today. All of them, except for the resort guy. That's the only one, right? I think. Plus, we got a bonus of like 4 properties. 3.
Yeah.
Which is pretty cool.
Actually,
I lost count.
You know you've done good if you've lost count.
Yeah, I've lost count. Yeah.
I like to set new records.
Yeah.
So.
This record will not be broken, I tell you that. There's always a first for every
Then my
client.
husband would say, then you've met Helen.
Oh, great. I think I'll quit doing this once I have no more firsts. Because every time there's a client, there's always something new that pops up. So unique. This one had a lot.
This is a cool drive.
It is.
I liked it.
Oh, wow. We're almost there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's one of these. I think it's this one right here.
Is this it?
Yeah. But is the agent here?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe he's up there at the end? Yeah. There he is. Whew.
Oh my gosh.
Wrong house?
Really?
Yeah, there he is. Yeah. Outside house number something or other. Beautiful. Look at this beautiful street road here. Konnichiwa. 遅くなってすみませんでした。大変ですね。この近所は綺麗ですね。すごい。はい。あ、
すみません。
後に書き込みですよ。はい、すみません。はい、お願いします。お邪魔します。いきなり？
あ、稲城と。
稲城。
I think this one had hot springs.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, wow. What is this? Oh, it's a wallpaper.
Oh, there's a loft. There's a loft above the kitchen?
Yeah.
Sugoi. This is the weirdest loft I've ever seen. Like it's like its entire own room. Now we'll start off kitchen loft. There's the first. Usually lofts aren't in the kitchen. They're usually on the second floor to get to the top. Wow. It's an entire room up here. Huh. Never had access to the second floor of a house with a pull-down ladder, pull-down staircase. This house is fabulous. Wow. Oh my goodness gracious. They did the same. Actually, these are kind of interesting. I like them. It's different.
Dark, moody.
Yeah.
They did
Wow.
like a interesting wallpaper on those.
Mm-hmm.
And I love how you can just like. This is
Oh my goodness.
really nice.
It is.
Really nice.
The neighbors are beautiful. Oh my gosh.
It's a better remodel.
Yeah. Oh wow. And you still got your big ass garden out here. I don't know how much of it's yours, but.
But it's open.
Mm-hmm. It's open and it's not so packed with the neighbors.
Maybe we can ask him the details of the HOAs and the onsen water, all that kind of stuff.
Okay, I will after last.
Yeah.
この土地はどこまでですか?
青いのが2つ。
Oh, it's all the way up to the blue things up there. That's crazy. It's almost as nice as the big house we saw.
Nobody that lives up above you.
Yeah, I know.
向こう側は別荘地外です。
Ah, so I don't know. That's outside the limits of this area.
Wait, what?
なんて日本語なんて言うんですか?
別荘地、分譲地の外。
そう外 It's the outside of
管理してない
yeah 管理してない they're not managing that. It's different land.
エリアに入って
Yeah,
る。
it's not in this area. すごいね。じゃあこの一戸建ては2階がこれで行くってことですね。
そうですね、基本的には平屋で、
はい
オプションっていうか
ボーナス。
はいあと、地下の倉庫が
地下もあるんですか?
外から。
はい、わかります。後で見
They
る。
have just the electrical, but they don't have fixtures, but then what is, that's the outlet.
Yeah, you just
for the-
attach whatever light you want to it.
Oh, no, the outlets. I was like, it doesn't look like it has outlets for air conditioners, but it does.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there it is. You're right. New bathroom. Brand new. Oh. Green. Puke green, unfortunately. I like green. I just don't like this color green so much. I don't like two of my least favorite colors, maybe pink as well and yellow. It's actually not as bad as I thought in the pictures. It's not, because it looked like it was dirty, but it's just overusage. It's really cool that you get this beautiful view out your bathroom window though. Holy crap, that's insane. Hello everybody, I'm taking a bath. Wow.
Interesting because there's no place to put the fridge. Like there's
冷蔵庫はこの辺ですね。
そうですね。
That's where the fridge.
だと
Ah, you can put the fridge here or here.
これが使っちゃうんで。
Now,
ここくらい
what you normally do is you buy an extra cabinet for like your microwave and your rice cooker and all that stuff, and you put your fridge next to it so you can fill up this wall with it within a certain
How come they
distance.
don't just make it like an L-shaped kitchen.
Because they want to have people have options, I guess. Because you can buy those stuff in the, they sell, a lot of those are sold in those stores, Nitori and stuff like that. Oh, they chose the high grade. The silver one is the cheapest grade, or the basic grade that most people get. This is like a grade up. I like either or, I'm okay. This is all brand new. See, like there's the gas kitchen. Remember I told you the other one was IH?
I love gas.
Okay, you like gas? Okay. It's just, that one's cheaper. It's easier to do. The sink's massive. It's beautiful. So, to you, are these kind of reforms nice to you? Like, is it, like, it's okay? Like, this is typically what they do.
Yeah, it's nice. Like, it doesn't seem like super cheap. It's just like a weird layout because of how there's no place for a fridge.
But this is a このグレードは中以上ですね。多分。
そうですね。
中プラスって感じ？
真ん中ぐらいですね。
So this is like, I think it's like middle plus. Like it's not the cheap, it's not the most expensive, but it's also not the cheap one. It's middle plus bonuses because it's got a big sink. And it's got the nice fan up top because the fan usually has the hood that comes down. That one costs more money. It's like an extra grand, so. Look at the high ceilings. Huh?
I forgot to take a video of the upstairs loft.
Oh, did you see it though?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's just like an extra room for bad kids again. So you got 1, 2, you got your living dining right here. So it's simple enough for 2 people.
And then, did he confirm it was onsen?
これ温泉ですね。
温泉はついてないんですけど。
あ、ついてない?
It's already connected?
No, it's not. Oh, it says right there. It's not connected, but it's possible to do it. いくらぐらいかかりそうですか? What's that? じゃあ外見ます。Oh, wow. Get your own new. Hello.
There's a lot going for it.
Yeah, the whole it's a fuck ton going for it. Oh, did I say that out loud? Sorry about that, guys. Don't mean to swear in my videos. Yeah, there's a lot going for it. Oh, they have two water heaters here. Pretty cool. And they're both brand new. Yep. 2024, babies. Oh, I didn't even realize there's a little thing out here.
No, you walk out. But it's really nice because it's concrete and it's...
I didn't walk out here. I looked out the other window. Nice. Oh, you gotta come down here? Oh, okay. This has a place where they keep the kids too. Maybe it's...
These places don't have garages, so... Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow, there's church bells.
Yeah, that's everywhere. It's in Japan. If it's 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock, these go off. Well, certain areas, I guess. My area does it.
Oh, so it's not from a church. It's like from just a bell tower.
Yeah, I think so. So winter's 4 o'clock. Spring and summer is 5 o'clock, I believe. Cool. You have a little workshop down here, and it's actually in great shape too. And they have power.
This is in amazing condition.
Yeah, it is. Look at this. All right, let's go for a walk in our Zen garden here and relax and chill out. So my question is, will she get this house or won't she? I have no idea. Wow, look at that. Boop.
You can have a little fire
Boop.
pit.
Yeah. You can actually go hiking. And you got beautiful, you got nobody here. You got a cul-de-sac there with a dead end, so you won't get traffic. And you got a gorgeous house to that side. Smile. Point at the house. Oh, I didn't get your pointing. Like, I want to take a picture. You ready? Here we go. Okay, got it. 面白いね. All right. 綺麗ですね. Oh, there's already a fire pit here. これ 火作るところ。
木があったんですけど腐っちゃったんで。
木があったらさ。
こっちも。
そう。なんか火作るかなと思った。
別にそれでも
作れるかなこのキャンピング。この辺は大丈夫ですかキャンピングみたいなやつ。
バーベキューとかは大丈夫ですけど、普通の野焼き、木を普通にゴミを燃やしたりするのはダメ。
はい。そうだね。Alright. So you said you can have barbecues, but no campfires.
It's beautiful.
Looks like crap. What are you talking about?
The neighborhood is nice. The drive here was very nice.